Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we'll explore how to register 1xBet account in Nepal. It's really easy, so open the app and tap on the register button in the top right corner of the screen. Choose your preferred option to proceed with the registration. Next, provide all the required information, including your surname and first name. In the country section, find and select Nepal. Select your region, city, or town. Enter your date of birth, a valid email address, and your phone number. Then create a password for the account and re-enter the password to confirm. Lastly, in the promo code section, use the promo code YOTV. This will give you a massive 300% bonus on your deposit. For example, if you deposit $10, you'll receive an extra $30 as a bonus, so don't miss out. Next, check all the boxes and hit the register button. Now, allow the app to send a verification code to your mobile number. Enter the code you received and tap confirm. And that's it. Your registration is complete. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to receive notifications about our latest videos. Thanks!